Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Danielle and it's almost spring break. I am so excited for spring break, you guys have no idea. Just a fair warning, I plan to do a lot of spring break prep videos. A lot of them are going to be things that I bought for spring break, so sue me. I have never been more excited for spring break. I think it's just because I'm from Florida and I go to school in Georgia now, so I'm just so used to just being by the ocean all the time. So I guess I've just been missing the ocean and the beach. So I'm so excited for the first half of spring break. I'm going to Gulf Shores, Alabama with my sorority. Well, not with my sorority, a few girls in my sorority. The second half of spring break, I'm flying home to Tampa, Florida. I'm gonna go to the beach with my mom and my family, and I'm so excited. I'm just, And then I was like, wait, all of these things require bathing suits and I have none. But I was so tired of like going to PacSun or like going to basic stores and getting bathing suits that everyone has. So I'm so excited to open this package, you guys. So I was on Instagram, like I always do. If you guys should follow me on Instagram at Danielle Carroll, and I post every day. I love Instagram, so much fun. Anyways, there's this one company that a ton of people I follow on Instagram wear when they go to the beach, and that is Albion Fit. I hope I pronounced that right. Albion Fit. They have the cutest bathing suits, and what I like about these bathing suits are that they're classy, which is kind of nice, I find. Like, I don't really like to wear super skimpy bathing suits. That's just not how I roll. Like, I just don't feel comfortable. Like, I definitely am gonna need to hit the gym like every day until spring break now. Yeah, I say that, but one sec. I am currently drinking a green smoothie, so that counts for something, right? I was actually sent these bathing suits, which is so freaking awesome, and I just wanted to tell you guys that. I wanted to be honest and transparent with you guys, but seriously, like, I wanted these bathing suits. Like, I reached out to them. So I'm gonna show you guys the bathing suits I got. I think I got 4 bathing suits, and I'm literally so excited. Like, oh my god. They actually gave me a code for you guys to use if you want. The code is Danielle15 to get 15% off your orders. That's pretty dope. This is a one piece, I'm pretty sure. Woo! I'll also have the link down below to their website and all the bathing suits that I show you guys, obviously. So this is the Neapolitan one-piece cutout swimsuit. I saw this because Aspen Ovard actually wore it. So if you guys were like, where's your bathing suit from? It's where it's from. It looks like this, and I love the colors. It's like a total warm tone, which is so my Instagram feed right now. Yeah, it looks like it ties in the back and then it just halters around your neck. But I just love it because it's almost basically like a bikini because it does cut out your stomach. So that's kind of nice, but you still feel like nice and sucked in. So I'm really excited for this one. I feel like that's good for just like when I'm actually gonna swim, or like if I want to lounge and read a magazine and put on a hat. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Next up, ooh, we got the first bikini. So this is the stripe icon top. I thought this was super cool. This one Instagrammer, Teza, that I always am obsessed with, I follow her. She wore this bathing suit and I was like, hey, I have to have it. I just love it. Obviously it's not the best for tanning, but like, let's be real. I just self-tan or get spray tans, and then because my skin doesn't take color, like my skin doesn't know how. Like, it looks like this. This is the top. It's just like a one shoulder deal. Super cute. It's like bluish gray. These are the Breezy stripe high-waisted bottoms. I love them because, well, they're high-waisted. I literally can't not wear high-waisted things anymore, so less up for Albion for just knowing that. But yeah, these are super cute and they're like such good quality, which is so nice. This is the Hibiscus Icon one piece. So it seems like the icon tops that they do are the ones that are off the shoulder, or like one shoulder, I mean. So this is another one piece. I just thought this was so fun, just for like when I actually just want to like walk around or like play in the sand, because yes, I still play in the sand. Like, okay, that sounds immature, but like, I like to make sandcastles with like my little cousins and stuff, okay? Looks like this. It's got these beautiful like palm fronds on it, and then also obviously the hibiscus flowers, hence the name of the suit. But yeah, so fun, so tropical. Sorry I'm like really peppy in this video. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry, not sorry. They gave me a yellow note. That's really cute. Go them, go them. Ooh, this might be my favorite one. I really don't know because I love them all. The last set I have, I got 2 one pieces and 2 bikini sets. This is the pink check off the hook top. I'm obsessed. It's basically pink gingham, and then it has a bow in the front with this little cutout. This is just so cute. I'm so excited to wear this. And then these are the pink cheek high-waisted bottoms. So they're the same print and they're high-waisted, of course, which I think is super flattering. And once again, I really don't care about the tan lines at this point. So yeah, that was a super short video, but I just thought it would be fun to sit down and show you guys the new bathing suits I got because I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I'll have the links to all the suits down below. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Go follow them on Instagram if you want, because I know like these were their last releases, but they're like releasing a ton more bathing suits, I'm pretty sure tomorrow or in the next few days, like in March. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I already said that, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you